What's happening?
So you have a warrant, 2 warrants for your arrest.
I'm sorry?
You have 2 warrants for your arrest.
For what?
Who's Vinny, man? Give me that. Give me all of this.
On the 20th of May 2025, in Palm Coast, Florida, deputies from the Flagler County Sheriff's Office responded to an emergency call from the hospital about a 5-year-old girl needing a welfare check. Officers arrived at the residence to assess the living conditions and the family's well-being, initiating an investigation in coordination with the Florida Department of Children and Families.
Hey, how's it going?
So is it just you tonight? Yes. Okay. I can't remember. You're Miss Witt, correct? Okay. So do you have a spot where we can go in where it's like a little bit less cold and hot? Can you go inside? Yeah. Okay. It's a little messy right now because we just have to leave.
And then on the wall, so I haven't mopped the floors yet.
Why aren't you in school?
He tends to this.
I don't want to stay in the living room, Mom.
And
I
I've
want to
asked
stay on the
for
porch.
things to change.
So I can
And
play
I've
ball.
begged because I know you guys were involved and I'm scared of you guys. And I'm trying to fix it. I'm trying to fix it with so much bleach and everything, but it keeps happening and it won't stop. And I don't know what to do and I'm so sorry.
But you're getting yourself all worked up, okay? There's also some concerns that are related to your new partner. Tell me what your relationship with him is like.
It's perfectly fine.
Okay. Does he put hands on you?
No, never. Never.
Is there anybody else in the house putting hands on you?
No.
Another male? No?
No.
Okay. I just have to touch base with you because last time I was here, the other mom was dealing with it. I mean, you girls have, I don't know about your
I
family,
understand
you know
that,
what I mean?
but
Just
I've
to
known
make
this
sure
man
you're
for
okay.
over 10 years. We're like high school sweethearts.
How long has Vito been staying here?
He's only been staying here
He's
since
real
the end of
small,
February.
too.
Okay.
And Bill's small.
He's small?
No, his
Bill's
mom.
small.
His mom, we go over there a lot too. That's also why you're not really here as
And
much.
Bill's dad, too.
Is this the home that your family owns?
No, this is the home that Lex's
Lexi's,
family
yeah.
owns.
Does she still own it though? Because when I
Her
was
brother
here last,
does.
John?
And he works. He works a lot. He doesn't get off until like 5.
Because I know that there had been some flooding too. Has the health department been out to inspect it for mold or anything?
No, not that I know of.
Upon arrival, the officers approached the mother to inquire about her health and the family's living situation. The conversation took place in a cooperative manner to verify information and ensure the safety and well-being of the children in the home. All interactions were recorded on the body-worn camera in accordance with Flagler County Sheriff's Office procedures.
And I know you, so if he has follow-up, because I know this case a little differently, so if you have additional things you'd like me to ask of her.
Okay. Is there anybody in the house?
No, we just do the that's
But
it.
you do that in the house?
No, we do it outside. Yeah, but she doesn't live here anymore. We don't ever know.
He's getting drunk, so where's he getting drunk? He pisses himself.
He gets up and he pisses himself. Like, we've had instances where he's tried to come out and heal here. And I was warned by my landlord if I call the cops, I get kicked out with a big bit, and I have 2 children away and where to go. We're desperately like, I'm going on Social Security so I can have income coming in. He's got a really nice job, pays really good. We're trying to get out of here. We're desperately trying to get out of here. We're looking at a couple months, and by the end of the year, we're not going to be here. I was trying to get out of here with my taxes, but they made me pay house taxes because nobody else had taxes coming in. So I either paid house taxes or I got out as soon as possible.
Because the home, and then what's up with the garbage service? When did that start? Who's responsible for that?
John, because they told us we could pay $60 to add on to a can, so...
Hey! Megan!
No, girl. Get.
We've done a couple dump runs. Our late friend Dakota, he just passed away 3 weeks ago. He was helping us take stuff to the dump back and forth a couple times a week. Reynolds, he just passed away.
Child's father?
No, oh, he's not from Dakota. No.
Where's their
he's in
dad?
high school. Corey, I have not heard of. Our
was
child
the
support case
abusive
just
one,
closed.
right?
Yes, he's the one that had the misdemeanor on him. He has not been anywhere close to us since over a year. Our case closes on June 4th for his,
Not you. Go inside. Hi, baby. You're outside playing in the dirt again?
no,
I'm not.
Uh-huh.
he's inside. A couple Oreos to the body on the potty.
Oh, that's what Okay. Watch out, baby.
Trying to bribe her with this stupid potty train. We had breakfast this morning at eggs and hash browns.
Well, I know it's fed. A little messy, but you're gonna go to
Just
school
munching
next
on
year,
his
though,
bread.
right?
She's going to school in the fall.
In the fall.
In the
Where's she going?
I got an appointment to take her down to school for next month.
Okay, you don't know yet.
No, we're gonna try and get her on it's like
Speech.
that. I've gotten told by like my doctor specialist that she knows a lot. I don't feel like angry or get upset. She knows everything. Like I was like that as a child, and they didn't do anything about it. So I was just bored, and I was acting out in class because I was bored. I knew everything. I aced every test. So I just want to make sure that I'm not going to do that.
You're covered in bug bites. Are those what kind of bugs? Are these
Mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes.
Yes, mosquitoes.
You scratch them, huh?
Mm.
You need bug bite makeup, I think.
Thinking make our boo-boos go away.
That's right. That's
Yeah.
pretty smart. You want to step in, and I'm gonna out here with me, okay? I'm gonna close the door to have privacy. You trust that I'm gonna take your care? Okay, you're gonna just talk to me for a minute.
After speaking with the mother, the officers gently talked with the child to learn more about her daily life and living conditions. The conversation was conducted in a friendly and age-appropriate manner, aiming to ensure the child's safety and well-being. All interactions were recorded on the officers' body-worn cameras, in accordance with Florida's child welfare inspection procedures.
We mainly, sometimes we start on the butt, depending on how bad it is, we put it first. And if it keeps happening, then we, 1, 2 on the butt.
You never use anything else besides your hands?
No.
Help!
And it's just you and B doing the discipline that's nobody else.
Yeah, he doesn't really spank her, no. He just.
How long have you guys been together?
Since January. And that's because I don't want anybody, walking in on. Doesn't feel good. I'll take a nap.
So,
And then let it
who's gonna chair back? I mean, like, who's pissed at you right now?
Because I am currently the mediator between his baby.
Does he have access to the house? Is he inside your home? No. Never?
He hasn't been in this home since December.
Is he still with that one chick?
No, they just broke up, in fact.
A few days later, the officers returned to the residence with an arrest warrant for the mother, related to child welfare violations. The arrest was carried out in an orderly manner, in full compliance with Flagler County's legal procedures, and the entire process was recorded on the officers' body-worn cameras to ensure transparency.
Hello. Hello. Hello, ma'am. I'm looking for Miss Autumn Witt. That's you? Okay, I just had a couple of questions about... Hello, sweetie. We just had a few questions about DCF follow-up. Yeah, could you step out here for a minute with us?
Yeah, I just...
Are the kids in there by themselves?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kind of can't close the door. He's in there asleep.
How many kids are in there?
Only 2.
Okay. Sweetie, you mind if I talk to your mom real quick?
And my mom and my dad. Well, my dad's at work.
Okay, baby, go watch TV.
Do you mind?
Okay?
You mind? Yeah, you mind closing the door? Thank you, ma'am. Just had a couple of questions. I just had to make sure you have any weapons on you.
No.
Yeah, if you don't mind, just facing that way. I'll
Yeah.
check in.
I have my other vapes in my pocket.
Okay, man. Go. Put your hands behind your back, man.
So what's happening?
So you have a warrant, 2 warrants for your arrest.
I'm sorry?
You have 2 warrants for your arrest.
For what?
Child neglect. 2 counts. $50,000 bond.
You said who else is in the house, man?
Vinny!
Hey, stop!
Vinny!
Stop! Stop! What are you doing? Here, come here. Come out here, man.
Can I hand these to him, please?
Give me a
So
minute.
they can stay?
I'll hand it
There's
to
an
him.
adult inside the house. We just
Yes.
don't want
Yeah.
you out here. We just have to talk to your mom really quick.
There's a Vinny inside.
Is Vinny? Can you go get Vinny for us?
Who's Vinny, man? Give me that. Give me all of this.
How many kids are here? He's coming.
Hello? Hi, help me out.
You might just close the door.
Yeah.
Side,
Just
please.
have her step inside.
Please. Please.
What's going on?
She's under arrest.
Okay.
Alright, she has 2 warrants.
12:05, 1 detained.
For child neglect. 2 counts. $50,000.
Ma'am, do you have anything else besides this on?
Are you able to take care of it?
Yeah, I can take care of him. I'm gonna call her mom.
Call my mom.
You want to leave all this, ma'am?
Yes,
What's your
please.
pen
Can
on
you
your
please
phone?
hand that to him?
Yeah.
My uncle's death date 11/23/20.
11/23/20.
Yes.
Okay.
My mom's Donna Panzarella. You can call my sister and let her know, or at least text her. That's Lissy.
Alright.
She's under Sissy. But my mom will probably call her.
Okay, I'll call Vito and I'll call your mom right away. What's the pen again? 11/28.
11/23/20.
I think it's a $50,000 bond.
Okay.
Much stuff here, man.
Thank you, guys.
You don't mind if I take 2 gloves from your box, right?
No. You might just pop it. Phone. I just gotta move my laptop.
Yeah.
We got the phones on the passenger side, so we'll have to put them on.
Yeah.
Because they're on the, alright, I'll move it.
You know if we got a female for a search?
Oh, you better know.
Alright. Do me a favor, man. Just face here. Yeah, she stated she doesn't have anything else. Just searching here. Anything do you have? Anything? You have nothing else? No pockets, right? These fans don't have any pockets? Nothing else, just the shorts and the shirt.
I don't even have an extra phone.
Or just make you aware, so once you get to the car, you go to the jail. If you have anything in your bra, stuff inside of you, or anything like that, it is an additional charge for introduction to non-example. We just got to explain that to everybody.
Watch your head now.
The 6-year-old mother was charged with child neglect without causing serious physical harm. She was released on bail set at $2,500, while her 2 children were temporarily placed under the care of the Florida Department of Children and Families to ensure their safety. The case serves as a strong reminder of the importance of child welfare and highlights the ongoing efforts of authorities to protect the most vulnerable members of the community.